syllabus on Friday, these students will be missing. So we need to make sure that those lessons are replaced.
Yes, starting Monday.
Yes. In French, Monday. Yeah, Monday.
So we have agreed that we want to meet people so that we can be able to draw up a program making sure we do some kind of
I don't know. The MCs were going around with the first lady. Did you come to Riokindo?
No, not yet.
Not yet. I know tomorrow you guys you have a program on the assembly. I request that you and your team and the first lady, what you need to do, you need actually to bring those geometrical sets to this the school and talk to them again. It would be good. Daytime, encourage them. Again, you need to caution them. You know, exams is not everything. It's not the end of everything. You know, you need to discuss with them for them to understand. You know, we have seen. We saw the other day we were with Mary Mora out of running. She's one of the people who makes good money than even those people who went to school proper. We need to encourage them in that direction so that some of them who are scared of the exams, this has happened actually, and it's something we need to talk to the students, whatever you're talking about. They know there is an alternative. They are not very good at exams and clearing. We see how we can help them. If I request the honorable members, we can definitely have tomorrow pass by. Second is, you know, we don't have, all of you agree, we don't have an emergency kitty, and if we were to do it, it will be again an audit way. Therefore, we are catching 22 million. We don't have that kitty. We can't again advance money from the county. The only thing we'll do our personal contribution towards. The only thing we can do is that we can respond to emergency, as it was the case with my team from disaster. But again, because they're our children, we can't tire again to come around and talk with them to see how we can. Say if I had some. They are around 500, if not 600, because I did ask blankets that have come with for those children, because I realized that they may not be having somewhere to go. Something covered. Two, Malim, what you need definitely, some of the actors involved, including the parents. I'm sure that the DCC with his team, they will be thorough and asking what happened.
We will.
Yes, and definitely, if his students are involved, we are not going to accept, because what happens if children are in those dorms, we'll be having a different story. Therefore, any attempt, if it's a human error, we must arrest it. We can't have it. We can't try to have it.
Actually, sir,